New information in the case of a Summit County wife and mother accused of killing her husband with fentanyl.
A lawyer for Kouri Richins now argues there's no evidence she gave him the drugs, and the defense raises another theory on how Eric Richins died. International attention on the case of Kouri Richins, charged with murder in the fentanyl death of husband Eric. Now, this motion from the defense contending Kouri is not a flight risk or a danger and should be released from jail pending trial. Among other things, the defense argues the state has provided no evidence that there was fentanyl found in the home, nor have they provided any evidence that Kouri gave the fentanyl at issue. Eric died either late March 3rd or early March 4th, 2022, here where the Richins lived in the Camas area. Prosecutors said a toxicology report showed Eric had 5 times a lethal dose of fentanyl. In the new filing, defense says Kouri gave him a drink and that he took 2 sips at roughly 9:15 p.m. March 3rd, and she went to sleep in one of their kids' bedrooms. The defense says Eric had a phone call with a friend an hour and a half later and was on social media and the internet after that. It also says Eric was a partier and would consume alcohol and THC. Defense says law enforcement never investigated an alternative theory that perhaps Eric's alcohol and drug use had escalated. Now, this all raises lots of questions, among them if Eric Richins was a drug user and if his use escalated and he had so much fentanyl in his system, why didn't investigators find the drugs in his house? Why did Kouri Richins say to an investigator in an interview, which apparently was recorded, that her husband, quote, doesn't do drugs? Defense has other versions of allegations that Kouri tried to poison Eric at other times and cast a drug dealer informant as not credible. Case is back in court on Monday on a proposed gag order.